Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you probably don't know this, but I am as blind as a bat. Like, I am short-sighted. I've been short-sighted ever since I can remember, like 7, 6. You know, I've been wearing glasses for a very long time. But those of you who know that I wear glasses, you guys have been requesting that I do a makeup tutorial for people who wear glasses for the longest time. So it's something that I had set out, like I was going to film it, but then GlassesUSA.com reached out to me. So this video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com. So if you don't know what GlassesUSA.com is, they are a website that sells like a variety of frames, very good frames and prescription lenses as well. Basically, to order from them, all you need is to use the prescription that your optician has given you, because that's basically what I did with them. So I sent them my prescription. I did not see them at any point, and they sent me 3 pairs of glasses, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to apply my makeup whenever I'm wearing glasses. They are so lightweight, they're not heavy on the face. If some of you have noticed, I have like permanent, like, I don't want to call it scarring because it's not scarring, but then I have this permanent dark spot just on the edge of my nose somewhere here, and the reason is because I've been wearing glasses for so long, and in the beginning when I wasn't really conscious of the type of frames that I would wear, I would just wear these ones that would just sit heavy on my nose, and after some time they left like a very dark spot in that area. But these are very lightweight, so you're not going to worry about that. They deliver worldwide, guys, including Nigeria. So they sent this to me here in Nigeria. They ship to literally everywhere. You guys should check them out. You can order your glasses from them using your prescription. So I'm just going to move on, show you guys how I do everything, and then you guys will see me trying the different frames on. So for this look, my eyeshadow is going to be really simple and like minimal. Whenever I'm wearing glasses, I like my eyes to look like really open. And the thing is, when you do a lot of contouring on your eyes and apply a lot of eyeshadow, for me, I feel like they kind of just reduce the size of my eyes. And I don't really like it when my eyes look a lot smaller behind frames, if all of this even makes any sense. So I prefer it when I do things to make my eyes just look opened up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. First color that I'm going to use on my eyes is from my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, right? It's called Shade and Light palette, Shade Plus Light. And this is like a flesh colored nude eyeshadow. I'm going in with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. This one is the Sigma. This is the Sigma E60, and I'm going to pat this color all over my eyes. The next color that I'm going to use is by Makeup Geek. This is their eyeshadow in Morocco. It's like a burnt orange shade, and with my MAC 224, I'm just going to apply this on my crease. Lastly, to add more depth to my eyes, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in Fudge. It's a dark brown eyeshadow. Normally, this is where my eyeshadow application would end, but I just want to do something extra for this video. This is my NYX Jumbo Pencil in French Fries, and I'm just going to pat this on top of my lid area gently. I want to apply an eyeshadow that has some shimmer in it in this area, and this is going to help it adhere. Lastly, I'm going to go in with this color here. It's really pretty. It's called Copper. It has some shimmer in it, and I'm not going to use a brush. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to pat this color over the base that I just applied. For my lashes, I'm going to be using this pair from Lena Lashes. This style is called Bev. For foundation, I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW45. Guys, I was busy applying concealer. I didn't know that my camera wasn't recording. I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden. I'm going to contour with my Fenty Matchsticks in Espresso. I'm going to set my highlighter with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I just want to apologize for the way that the light keeps changing. I film in natural light and the sun is just going a bit yo-yo today, so it keeps going up and down. I think it looks good now, so I'm going to set my contour with my Inglot contour powder. So I'm going to set my entire face with my Iman Luxury Pressed powder. So I'm going to use this blush here from my Inglot Freedom System palette. I don't know the exact name for this unless I take it out, so I'm just going to write it down somewhere here. To highlight, I'll be using the Inglot Sparkling Dust Face Eyes Body Highlighter, and this one is in number 3. So before I move on to the lips, I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. I like to leave this for last because I found that if I do this before I highlight under my immediate under eye area, like the powder and the concealer tends to mess with the mascara that I've applied there. I'll be using my Inglot Lash Enhancer Mascara. One of my favorite things about this look is that you can pair this with any lip color. The eyes are not too busy, so you can literally pair it with a nude lip color, a bold lip color, pink, purple, red, it does not matter. I'm going to start out with a nude lip color first just to show you guys. And this is my NYX lip gloss in LG 101A, I think. And then this is MAC's lip pencil in Chestnut. It's a very dark brown lip pencil. Any type of nude lip gloss you have paired with any type of dark brown lip pencil you have will just give you the same look. This pair is a lot more serious looking and it kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. But I really like it. I don't have anything like this. I tend to go for like really big frames, but I wanted to try this one out because it was really circle and it kind of reminded me of Harry Potter. So next, I'm going to apply Colourpop's Lipsticks in Grind. This color is so freaking gorgeous. Like, you guys know how much I love purple. This one is so pretty. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm just going to apply this straight out of this. All the glasses, they come in a case like this, in case you were wondering. And the next pair is like one of my favorites because clear frames are really hot right now. And these are not your regular like clear frames. These ones have a little bit of pink in them. I'm going to put them on so that you guys would see. The last lip color that I'm going to use is from Inglot, and this is a gorgeous blue toned red. So these are the last frames that I have. These are really serious looking, and every time I put this pair on, I just imagine myself with my legs crossed, sitting in one office like that, giving them this. I don't know, I really love this. This is actually my favorite pair. I don't know, I think that it also goes really well with red lipstick. So these are all the frames. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just leave video requests if you have any in the comment section as well. I'm trying to figure out what to film next. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.